Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode. It's your go-to code guy, Wisdom. And in this episode, we'll continue talking about strings. And this episode is gonna be a bit technical, okay? But nothing serious. So we are going to be talking about or seeing how we could actually escape characters, escape things, okay? And we're going to do this by using there's something called an escape character in an escape method in Python programming language and is known as the backlash. Okay, we'll see that soon. Remember, this is PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3 is a mobile application, right? And it helps us to code in Python programming language. Okay, so what if we wanted to remember we use quotes a lot, single quotes and double quotes, sorry. But what if we wanted to do something like print out a code or a string that has apostrophe to it? That is to say, I can't. Okay, I can't. This will obviously produce an error because we are having three quotes instead of like two quotes, an opening quote and a closing quote. Let's see what this produces. So it's an error. It gives us a list of error things. Okay, it's an error because we are having like triple quotes. What if we wanted to go about this? Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at quickly in this episode. So in order for us to do this with the interpreter interface, let's say print. Okay, wanted to print out I can't. We can either use a double quote to say I can't. So we've opened this program with double quote and we've closed it with double quote. Okay, close the parenthesis. So print I can't. So opening quote, double quote, closing quote, double quote. Okay, and we hit on enter. The enter is this curly arrow button beneath our keyboard. When we hit on this, you see it works. I can't. But there's another way to go about this. Okay, and it's a bit technical, but follow me. So in order for us to use a single quote to achieve this, we go print, right? You open your parentheses, single quote, I can. So we use the backlash before the apostrophe to tell Python that we are escaping the next thing that comes. So backlash, right? You see that? Then we use the T, okay? And then we close with our program with quote, single quote again, and then round this up with the closing parenthesis. So what we've been able to do is to use this escape method, the backlash method, to tell Python that you escape it. This will produce an error, but you escape it because we want an apostrophe before the T. So it's just the backlash. Whatever you are escaping, backlash come first before that. So backlash, then the apostrophe, then the T, then we close our program, the usual way with the closing quotes and then parentheses that closes it. So when we click on the enter button, the curly one, curly arrow button, when we hit on this, you see it still produces the same result. So this is a way to actually escape things. Okay, we are going to be looking at that in maybe two more episodes or three more episodes. But you see, in the first program we wrote, we used two double quotes, opening and closing, in order for us to produce something with an apostrophe. Okay, in the second program, in order for us to produce something with an apostrophe with single quotes, we escape it using the escape method, which is the backlash, which comes before the apostrophe, and then every other thing goes. I hope I wasn't too technical. I hope I was able to break this thing down. But if you go over this video a couple of times, it will stick. I promise you that. So that's it about this episode, guys. I've not missed out anything at all. But if I have, I'll be in the comment section and the and or the description. Bye for now, guys.